Hello everybody, welcome back to the lair house of the opening boosters in, not boosters, but packages. I was saying in the last video, this is the second part of the opening. Let's see what do we have over this package. This was a lost package from FedEx that took me 3 months to arrive. And I really wanted to celebrate with you the direct opening of the cards as how I receive them. I know it takes a little bit longer, maybe just maybe, because I don't like too much editing videos. I fast forward the opening of this. You know, this is that it is not so amusing and interesting as the breaking of this astronomical hateful plastic. Why would this shop use this way of, maybe it's much more cheap, much more like cheaper to do it that way. We have some amazing chromatic sphere, near mint, direct from booster, I would say. No, not direct from booster, but nearly from booster. Can you see the borders? This is a very nice symptom of an unplayed card, because the moment you start playing the cards, that mark, this crispy clean cut border is lost because of the you know, when you do this with the cards, when you shuffle them, when you are using them, that that part gets like shaved, and it goes away. We have a vindication in here, which is an excellent near mint. Yes, maybe it has some superficial wear over there. Yes, no, but this one would go near mint. It's an excellent, a slight, very light scratch in there, but not a very big deal. Let's see what else do we. Oh, whoa. Okay, this one was thicker than I thought. Let me double check these ones. Oh wow, near mint. These ones are coming back to play, my friends. These ones are coming back again. One of the best creatures ever printed with the Morphling. In the old sets, this creature was so good. How much damage I made with this one in my elves deck. So awesome. How much damage it made to myself. Discarding one card every turn is quite painful. Yes, this one I would say goes excellent. Let me see. Yeah, B. B sometimes is excellent, sometimes it's near mint. This is B as well, but the condition is much better. We have some greed. Near mint greed from the Foglio family. Not much to say. So this is a mind twist. That's actually your face when an opponent plays this card on you. You discard random from your hand. Yes, this one is quite actually in very nice shape, but I don't know, the card actually looks more excellent than near mint, maybe because it has some superficial wear. Yes, it has to be that. Let's keep going with a Goblin King from Jesper Mirfors. Near mint. This is an A, yes. A are always near mint condition. We have some Price of Progress, some Mother of the Runes, Gemstone Mine, Tog, and we have some next level beautifulness marked it in Nevinerial disc. Very, very nice card. And yes, it has some denting over here, or what it seems like denting. Yeah, this one goes excellent for sure. And we have a B. Yes, that's excellent. Beautiful card. And nothing much in this pile. This one is a beautiful Ornithopter. And Darker Wastes. And the Dragon Animorus Bara Tia Morosu. You can imagine, because I don't remember the original name, but at some point I will remember. Chronicles Japanese. Goes to the old pile with the Mr. of an Ornithopter. Let's get to the next pile. Oh, I just don't like it one bit when they are packaged this way. You see, why do they do this? Let me remove it gently, because you see, it's a real pain. I really hate this way of packaging cards. They won't stop doing it. So we have few ones in here from Portal 3 Kingdoms. Nothing to say about these 3 ones, but yes, about these ones, this is quite interesting. Let me see. Let's see how they are. Near mint condition. Some scratch. Yes, maybe excellent. Yes, it's excellent. It has some superficial wear. I suppose the rest of the cards, yeah, they are all B. Yeah, they are supposed to be this way. Sometimes we get luckier and the cards are in better shape, and sometimes they are not. Put this aside in here. And let's keep going. Always, the cards are always shuffled, of course. Never all together. I'm sure as the time passes, I'm almost for sure that they shuffle the cards before packaging them. Why in the world would they do such a thing? I hope someday, I will know. Maybe the next time in Japan, I may pay them a visit and tell them, because I bought from them thousands of times. Well, not thousands, but hundreds of times. And it's always this way. When I buy many cards, it's like always this annoying way of packaging things. Why? Because in one of these pools, you can fold the cards, and that's not a funny thing. More for Portal 3 Kingdoms, Impulse, one all goes in here, all sets. More for Portals to this beautiful pile over there. I think the cards get nervous when this thing is around, so I'm gonna put it away so the cards stay calm. Yes, I think this is the 3rd one. Always shuffle, guys, always shuffle, never in right order. In one of the sites I sell the cards, they penalize you if the cards are not well arranged when you sell them to the people. So imagine. Let me see this Cuarta scroll. I think it was the misprint. No, it's not the misprint, because the cost is 3. The card is actually I don't like that stuff too much in here. That's actually... this one would go maybe excellent minus. Excellent minus. Okay, it's a C. Yes, yes. Excellent minus. Maybe a good condition, yes. Maybe sometimes you have to grade them below, a bit below than you think, because depending of who checks the card, it may be risky for your feedback. We have a B. I think this is the third musty core. But you see this one. This one is B. But actually, this is near mint. It has very, very, very slight scratch in there. But in front, it has no scratches. So, for me, guys, this card is near mint. It's near mint. It's a B. But not for me. We have another powerful mind twist. Let me see. Oh, yes. Near mint. This one, it's near mint plus, I would say. Let me see. Yes, this is an A. For this shop, S is the maximum condition of a card. And, well, they hell of a price they put on S cards. And they don't usually have S cards available. But yes, S would be mint condition. You know, I don't know which card is this one, but it's on a top loader. So it should be safe from the edge of the destruction. Let me put it over there. Which one is this one? Okay, no, it was not a top loader. It was a thick sleeve. We have a Mr. Kellyan, Mr. Tris Kellyan. On a B. Let me see what he says. Yes, the card is quite scratched. Yes, this one is excellent. This one is indeed excellent condition. Yeah, it's pretty fine. So we are all happy. Let's save that sleeve over there and put this one over here. Always shuffled, of course, always shuffled. We have another uncommon. Let me put more of these, more shuffle cards. So, powder keg, nice. We have some 4th edition white border, rare. Goes to the old pile. Some more 3 Kingdoms. There was a bomb around here, but I haven't seen it. Have you seen it? Because I haven't seen it. Where is it, guys? Where is it? Okay. I think it's in another package. It was Ravages of War. I'm sure you know which card I'm talking about. Okay, and this is the last one from the beautiful Lost box. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep cutting skin. This should be like the feeling doctor has when he's on surgery. Okay, let's see what's in here. More vindication. Okay, beautiful channel. Yes, it looks like an A. Yes, it's an A. So the card is gonna be near mint. Always near mint. More pre-modern cards. Oh, this one, Sleight of Hand. In pre-modern, there are not so many cards to rearrange your hand for combo. And this one, from the Foglio family, it's one of those cards. And from Portal 2, it's quite a pick. Beautiful, very, very, very beautiful card. Brainstorm, which is forbidden, of course. We have some commanders from the Goblin battle. And some Acromas, Justice, as well as a Void Mage in B. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep that skin cutting. Okay, let me jump to this one because we all know. You want to see the birds flying. Okay. Let me release them. And let's see how they go. Release. I release thee. Bum, 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 bum. What do we have in here? Let's see how they breathe. We have a bee. Well, a bee in this one. Is this a bee, guys? This is not a freaking bee. No. This is not a bee. This is a C. Can you see the wear in the edges? Well, it has no scratches though. But for me, this is a B minus. Maybe. Oh no, man, this is not a B. It's like a B. They give them such a big range of operation that sometimes they send you a very nice card and sometimes not so much. For the price I paid, which I think it was like how much it was? 14,000 yen, if I'm remembering correctly. 14,000, that's around a bit less than, no, that's €100 right now, I think, maybe a bit more. Well, for an excellent, maybe excellent minus bird, it's fine. It's fine. I guess it's fine. And we have another beautiful one, which is an ensnaring breach. An ensnaring breach. Let's see how it breathes. On a nay. This one should be near mint. This one is near mint, clearly. Yes, it's an A. They really respect the A. I'm sure they have so many people that only buys A's from them, so they don't have that B risk. It's fine. It's I guess that's every shop has their things. Nobody's perfect, I guess. More laning angels, more vindication in here, sharpshooter, and another goblin king, and a pernishes, and a beautiful island from Mark Poole. Let me double check this one because these are getting expensive, guys. When I started buying them in Japan, these ones were about 100 yen. That's around, how much? Maybe 60 cents or so. And now they go around 300, 400 yen each one. They're getting tougher and tougher. Stand still and then a darker wastes. And we have here in a thick sleeve. Not so thick, no, it was just 2 cards. We have an A Lotus Petal. That would be a near mint. Yes, they really have. They're very, very careful ranking A cards. Yes, A, it's a near mint. No objections. Near mint always. And yes, always shuffle cards. I think there are two pile left. Let's check them out because we are almost in the time limit. Careful now. Let's open them over him. Let's come together right now. Oh, Miraris Call. How was this? The name of this card. Era da Muri no Totototo. I don't remember this. I don't know which kanjis are these ones. Too bad. Too bad. That's a B though. But these two. Oh, and I studied them, but I don't remember right now. Too bad. That's actually too bad. Okay, let's keep going. Whoa, Chronicles from Mr. Pool. I think this one was an uncommon on a B. You see, this one's on a B. No, okay, near main. It's not near main because it has some side where more sharpshooters in here. Of course, mothers of the creation. And we have Pile Driver, Void Mage, King, Void Mage again. Whoa, more Kings and Smoke. Right there. And a Pernicious Deed and a Spirit Monger, Pilot Driver, Pile Driver. How do you say that in English? Because I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. And let's rush to the last package. Let's see. Come on, you can do it, Mo. Come out from the womb. Oh, come on, come out. Let's throw the skin away. Okay. An Urtai. No, this one was Squee, Goblin Nababa. Goburino Sukui. Squee. This one was I don't remember. Too bad. Apologies, guys, for my fail Japanese. Oh, nice ones. Wow, these ones were 3 months ago. I remember when I bought them. I bought them both together. Yes, it was quite long. 3 months to see what was gonna happen with my money. With these cards, many of them tough to find. It's not just the money to pay for the cards, but having the opportunity to see the cards available to be bought. So it's not just money, guys, you know. Oh, we have the second stifle on a Nay, so that's near mint. Great. And this one as well, and we have a B. Is that a B? No, man, that's no B. And when that happens. Our second bolt laning. And we have a Mr. Monster of the Pit. Yes, this one go. Oh, we have some damage in here. This is because of the. Do you know in the past when people used to pack the cards with these bands, these rubber bands? This is what happens to the cards that are packed that way. Oh. Okay, let me see how it looks on the side. Yes, you can see that clearly. Yes, that's damage, my friends. I don't know how much I paid for this one. I have to double check again. Maybe 400 euros, 500 euros. Jesus. Then that's around 3 euros or 4 euros for this one. Obviously much less, because for me that's damage, and damage is the worst thing that may happen to your cards. There are many kinds of damage, by the way. This one is great. This is an excellent plus, great shape. And his brother from the white border, you see there are slight changes. For example, you see the text does not match. there was some repositioning, maybe some rewriting of the ability of the creature. It's a pain to see with a sticker in the middle. It's really annoying. So now we can check where. Yeah, great shape. Yes, there was a rewriting of the text box. Yeah, looking great though, both of them. Right there. And we have a Wrath of God. More. Oh, Jutham. Not a Jutham, but an Ergham Digin. Namu Namu Jin. You see, this one's from Chronicles as well, but it's the symbol from Arabian Nights, but it is not Arabian, it's Japanese Chronicles. Quite a thing to have in mind. We have one more from Portal, Three Kingdoms, and some more beautiful rares. This one was Trade Wind Raida. We have in here, what was the name of this? It's not coming out now. This one was Atoramiento in Spanish. From Tres Nielsen. Yes, I can put on the pile of illustrators. I think I'm going to put in my new file. And Pilled River. Or Pile Driver. Oh, which was Claw. Wind Color of the Claw was this one, maybe. And we are done. Let me double check again. You see the Legends and the Chronicles thing I was saying. You see, these two cards, even though they have a different set symbol, these two cards are from the same edition. Quite a thing, same set, different icon. I think this has not happened again in Magic the Gathering. I don't really know for sure, because I'm not tracking the new sets. Yes, I know, I'm stuck in the past. Like many of you, I'm sure. So that's how it is, and how it was, and how it always will be. I hope you liked the video. Remember that you can find few of these ones for sale in the link of the description below. And remember to enjoy life in any way possible. This is one of them, of course. And always stay happy. Thank you so much for being here, and be well, and bye-bye, and take care again. Bye-bye.